guys, Rob from Icebox here. Just going to show you to one of our installs today, which is on, this is our new Tesla TZG 1152X model, which is the latest Android 11 system on these, which has been recently upgraded. It comes with built-in CarPlay and Android Auto, which are both wireless. As you can see, this is the home page here. Now we do have the older style system on our YouTube channel, so I'd just like to show you what this one's got to offer. So as you can see, it's just the application center here. We've got all the little slide bars nice and reactive here. So obviously this has got the customer's Android Auto linked on his phone today. I'm not going to show you CarPlay because obviously I'm holding the Apple phone. So as you can see, this is where it shows all the Android Auto. Now, not too sure whether anyone's familiar with the Tesla units, but what you used to find is some systems for the Android Auto tend to be just on a box across here, and there's a border on the outside. This is now full screen, as you can see, which is a bonus. So obviously the navigation is the Android side, so just to flick up to there shows you the Google Play Store. We're just doing a few updates on it at the moment. As you can see, that's the Play Store up there. We're just doing the updates, which is what we do during the install to make sure everything's working as it should. So I'll just keep it short today. I'll just put a link into the description down below to show you where to purchase it from. If you got any questions, give us a shout, and I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.